Hello parents, this is Mr. Kroll speaking. Today I'm going to show you a few things about how to access the homework online. Now this is all depending on whether or not it actually works. Because the school has its own G Suite account, it may or may not work for you from home. So this video might be useless, but I'm going to send it out just in case it does work. Anyway, the first thing you should know is that you have received in this email also the schedule plans and assessment details. Now the assessment form looks like this. This is the 5th grade one, but 7th and 8th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th all look similar. There are 3 classes that require online learning, and that would be math, geography, and writing. Now this video is meant to show you how to access Google Classroom. If you just click on the links here, you should be able to get into Google Classroom. However, there are other ways that you can get into it. So this is pulling up the math one. If you go to your Google account, up here is what we have, what we call the waffle. Now I'm signed into my MLC account, and you might be able to just click on an icon found in the waffle. If you click on the waffle that says Classroom, maybe not though. In some cases you can't, depending on if you've accessed it before. If you type in, actually you should type in Google Classroom. If you type in Google Classroom, it should be the first thing that pops up. Okay, so it's going to sign me in. The second thing you're going to want to know is you need to be signed into your Grace Lutheran Kenai account. So your student is going to need to sign into that. I'm going to switch over to that account so that I can access it. Okay, and here are all the classes. Math, I've sent out an invitation for. Right now it says I have no students. That's actually not the case. I've sent out an email, or not an email, but a thing here. Once you get into Google Classroom, you should be able to join. It'll say join in like a purple box. The next thing you need to know about is geography. Geography has this link right here from Online Centera, which is basically just a mapping quiz. The assignment is that each student take the mapping quiz, and then from there they try to get 100% on it. And anyway, so regardless, the sorry, no, I'm distracted doing this. This is a lot of fun to me in my silly mind. Okay, so they try to get 100% on it. If they can, that's okay. They should take it as many times as they can. When they've got a score that is satisfactory to you, hopefully 100%, let me know what their score is so that I can put that in the gradebook right away. They have 1 week to complete this. Take it as many times as you like, and just enjoy doing it. It can be a lot of fun. The last thing for geography is this quiz is, the students should be familiar with it. Once they click on the link to join a game, the code they need to put in is 1310, and then they just join game, and they should be able to play the quizzes game. They've done this before. I think most of them have already taken this, but there are some who have not. So there are technically 2 geography assignments that are due. Alright, we're going to go back to our classes. The last thing is the writing assignment. Now I haven't added everybody yet. I think there are a few 5th graders that I need to add to this, but on the writing assignment, they need to type the assignment. So here's the assignment instructions. So it's a movie analysis writing assignment. It requires 600 to 800 words. You can access a word count by looking right here. You click on Tools, and then from Tools to Word Count. So that is not including the words that I have typed up. So they need to have anywhere from 800 to 1,000 words in total, because it doesn't include the ones that I have given. This assignment just includes picking a movie, watching a movie that, of course, you as a parent approve of, and then from there, answering each question. They are literally going to go in and type what they want. Okay? And they may need some assistance with this. So it should include quite a bit of information. It'll make a copy for them once I have that done. The last thing is that on the classroom, I have this online platform where students can share things that concerns them or discuss if they can't share things with each other. This I can monitor and make sure that everything's okay. So I could say, hey everyone, school, let's just say, I don't know, school is awesome. You know, if I really wanted to say that, I could. Hopefully I don't have any typos when I actually say it. You know, I could post that on there. Now, I can monitor this so that if students put something on there that I don't like, I can literally take them off of it. And so taking away their ability to post anything. All right, the last thing you need to know is that if Google Classroom doesn't work for any reason, we are going to be using a Google Drive account. So what that means is in Google Drive, if you go to Google Drive that the students have in their Grace Lutheran Kenai.com account, go to Share Drives, Grace Students, click on that one. From there, you should be able to find My Classroom, 5 through 8. Okay, I will post things in here that need to be posted in here if you can't access them online. The only few things that I would post in here is probably math, and then writing and or geography if need be. So I will do that if we cannot access Google Classroom. That's my little tutorial for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm certainly praying for you all. God bless.